repping the Grains family. What's really good? Right now we're in front of Lava shop, big and serious. As you can see, let me give you a turn around the camera one time, give you like a preview of where we at. We at Lava Foods, delicious Lava Foods, halal and non-halal food, you Jake? Big business, and the boss is right here. I have a bracelet to give the boss right here. You check on.
Like the Joan, man. Greens era, repping greens.
Simple.
Love and
You know what I
respect,
mean?
brother. Yeah, man. Appreciate it, man.
Simple, classy. You know what I mean?
So what you
One
say?
of one.
Ready?
I was just giving him a little detail about the bracelet. You want us to put it on one time?
I'm going to put it on. I'm going to think. Let me go freshen up. And
For real? You know what?
You understand?
Alright, simple. But yeah, but big up yourself,
Yeah, man,
Lava,
definitely.
man.
Well, you know, we support each other. You understand?
Big and
Small
serious.
business, black business, our business, Greens business. Greens, you understand?
Greens.
Tony. Alright, I love that. Respect and manners.
Yeah,
Yeah, Greens
era.
era, repping Greens. You understand? The 4, 7, 3. Love and respect. Lava, fly the Joan, swoosh, that.
Facts. Big up yourself, Lava, every time. Man. And it's that. So yeah, guys. If you're enjoying this type of content, like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. You know what I mean? We're chilling with the boss right now. Check. I have the craft right here with me. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Well, yeah, right here, Top Road Carenage, man. You know what I mean? Top Road Carenage. Big up Lavaman every time. Fly the drone.
Swoosh.
You understand?
That is it.
Oh.
Greens era. How you mean?
And it's that.
I love my family, man.
Well, what's good for 2026? I want to give the people a taste. I want to give the people like a sample of the thing.
Well, let's say friends bring you go, but they never bring you back. I try to hear and never listen that. It's only girl, rum and mass. That's the friends I have. I'm rolling with some no good friends, and each of us have some no good friends. You understand? The girls drunk, the girls in trouble, but we love them. No good friends.
No good friends. I like it. Big up all yourself. As you can see, we just get a little taste of the thing. All you check it out wherever. All you go and check it out on YouTube.
Yep.
Apple Music. You know what I mean? Just drop. You know what I mean? Hope we get a video soon. You think we will get a video?
Well, yeah, you can check out the preview, the promo video. It's on IG. Lavaman, the real mad one. Go check it out. It's crazy, man. Mad thing.
Alright. All they hear that?
Man's 26. Where are you? It's Greens, bro. For life. That's where everybody's coming. You understand?
For real. I like it. I can't wait to hear it. I can't wait to see the video, give you all a reaction. Look out for the Reppin' the Green show. Starting back real soon. We won't be missing, you know, Carnival 2026. At all. You know what I mean? So, big up yourself, Lava. Give us a little idea on the Iron Mass.
Iron Mass?
Give the people, you know, a little promo of the Iron Mass.
We ain't saying nothing yet. Just wait. Something else is coming. You understand? And we can't let the cat, nor the dog, nor the dragon, nor the... You understand? The lion out the bag. Nurse, excuse me.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
And it's that. Big and serious. So let them know. Like, share, subscribe. All again, behind the scenes, promotion. Y'all again, exclusive content. Y'all getting, you know, content you wouldn't find anywhere else on the internet. You know what I mean? I tell all you already, Greens Era is the most resilient channel on any platform. YouTube, Instagram, Twitch, Kick. You know what I mean? Big and serious. So if y'all like the videos I already got last year with the reactions, the music videos, the Juve morning content, the reactions to Suka Monarch, subscribe to the channel, big and serious. This is the right place, and get ready for, as I hear Lavaman say, get ready for Carnival Grenada Carnival Spice Mass 2026. Get ready. Make sure. Take care, boss. Blessings and guidance. You're welcome, King. Yes, sir. Blessings and guidance, and it's that. So yeah, man. Big up Lava every time. He's still here at the place. We will lock it down. We will lock it up. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? But if all you're looking for the halal and non-halal food right here, all you had to come. I just hear somebody pass and ask for a roti bag and see you. So sounds like you had good business around here. So again, Grenada Carnival 2026. Get ready for it. Right here on the Carenage relay, so we already prepared, waiting for all you. You know what I mean? Some all traveling from near and far, and all they want y'all halal and non-halal food right here on top. You know, Carenage. You could